Plastic surgery has seen a boom during the pandemic, but turns out cosmetic dentistry has too. And joining us with what's driving this trend is celebrity cosmetic dentist and friend of the show, Dr. Bill Dorfman.
Here's what's happening. Even though we're getting really good about wearing masks and all that, people are sitting at home in front of their cameras, looking at themselves all the time, and they don't like what they see. Like, they want to start tweaking this and tweaking that. So I know you guys are having a huge boom in plastic surgery. We are too in cosmetic dentistry. We are so busy. I've never seen it like this.
Well, good for you. We're definitely seeing that Zoom boom. And, you know, our two specialties, I mean, they overlap so much. Elective things to improve your appearance, and teeth are always so important. But, you know, this being said, we are seeing some things that are raising red flags. We're seeing a number of cosmetic dental do-it-yourself trends on TikTok. So now people are using wax beads in place of dentures. What?
Really a bad idea. Here's the deal. This wax we call ortho wax. And what it was originally made for was when people wear braces, a lot of times your lips and your tongue get cut or it's rough. So this wax was made to put on your braces. It was not made to replace missing teeth or filling gaps. It's a really bad idea, Dr. Orton. Here's the problem. When you do that, you can cause permanent damage to your gums by pushing on this for too long. Plus, the wax harbors all kinds of food and bacteria, and that's never good for your mouth. Listen, if you need a bridge or a denture or a partial denture, go see a dentist. That's what we do.
We're seeing all kinds of other crazy trends too. Like, for example, this product. We've uncovered people trying to bond their own teeth at home with this light that they pick up online and just watching YouTube videos to do it. What do you think about this?
Here's the thing. Bonding needs to be done by a dentist, okay? Period. Your hair is not the same as your teeth. If you mess up your hair, it grows back. If you mess up your teeth, you're out of luck. You know, this is a really, really bad idea. If you need bonding, go to your dentist, period.
Couldn't agree with you more. You go to the professional for your teeth. But besides do-it-yourself trends, explain why in-office tooth bonding is a hot thing and gaining a lot of popularity.
Yeah, bonding's great. It's been around since the 60s, right? But done properly by a dentist, it can be seamless and impossible for even a dentist to see on your teeth if done well. However, not everybody's a great candidate. And if you do have bonding done, it typically lasts 3 to 7 years. Yes, it's a lot less expensive than porcelain veneers and some other things. But again, go see your dentist, see if you're a good candidate. And if you are, thumbs up, do it.
Well, why we have you, Bill, I mean, who is a candidate for bonding if you've had previous veneers or if you've had previous caps or if you've had...
No. You could never replace a cap with bonding. You have to replace a cap with a cap. You can never replace a veneer with bonding. You have to replace a veneer with a veneer. Bonding is perfect for people that have small defects in natural teeth, and it just needs maybe a little length or a little closure of a gap or something like that, period.
Dr. Dorfman, let's talk about another trend that you're performing a lot of now, which is called gum contouring. Can you tell us about that?
This is an amazing and permanent procedure. Now, if you have a gummy smile and small teeth, but you've got to have excess tissue, we can permanently remove that tissue either using a laser or an electrocautery unit and give you a beautiful smile. We just basically lengthen the teeth. You have to cosmetically contour it around each tooth, but this is permanent and very dramatic. We have some really cool pictures to show you.
Very impressive. Well, Dr. Bill, you never disappoint coming with the latest and the greatest. Thanks for showing up today. We hope to see you soon.